Hey guys, in this piano exercise we're going to cover our left hand walking jazz bass line, and we'll cover all our major 2-5-1s in 5 minutes. If you want a deeper lesson about how to create a walking bass line, please visit this video here. We're going to cycle through our key centers through the circle of fifths, which means key of C, key of G, key of D, etc. We're going to play each pattern twice at 100 beats per minute. I'm going to provide you the root note on beat 1 of every bar and harmony. Like that. The expectation is that you're going to focus on your left hand walking bass patterns. And obviously I don't want to be playing the walking bass line too, because we'll get too many notes that clash. If you do want to see some examples of some walking bass lines, go visit my harmony exercises where I'm providing walking bass for the harmony exercises. A basic idea that you can do is stepping up and coming back down and jumping up the octave when we repeat the C. You can also go down, down, and then start coming back up. There's all sorts of variations you can do, so just get creative, enjoy the exercise, don't worry too much about the direction. The main thing I want you to make sure is that you're hitting those root notes at the start of the bar. If you're finding it too challenging, just slow down the YouTube playback speed, or just stop the video and just work on your the bass line on the key that you're finding difficult. If you find it too easy, speed up the playback speed or add some different variations in the walking bass line. Alright, let's cycle through our major 2-5-1s in every key, focusing on our left hand bass line in 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, and... well done if you followed me through all those 2-5-1s. Remember, if you were struggling with any of those bass patterns, just stop and start the video and get them right under your fingers. Because basically, if you can get those down, next time you play your jazz charts, you'll find that it'll be much more natural to walk through the changes, particularly with how common those 2-5-1s actually are in the charts. Alright, thank you so much for following me in this channel. I'm really excited about getting some more practice exercises your way. Please subscribe to stay up to date with all my exercises. Reach out in the comments if there's something that you would like me to cover or an exercise you want me to put together. And please share this video around if you think anyone else would benefit from it. Thank you so much. You're all legends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next exercise.